welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am doing another reaction to season 4 of season 2 of the 4 episode 4. So without further ado, let's just jump right into this challenge.
I'll go for James.
Oh,
3 years ago, I came out to LA to pursue my dream of being an artist, and I was lucky enough to land a deal with one of Michael Jackson's former producers, which was incredible because, like, Michael Jackson's someone who's a massive idol for me. So when things didn't work out and the deal fell through, I lost a lot of faith in the music industry, but my love for music never went. And that's why I'm still here as one of the 4.
hey James.
Diddy was right. I haven't shown all that I've got. So tonight, I'm gonna go hard and I'm gonna prove to everyone why I've got my seat up there.
Let's hope, because only 3 months of the 4 are remaining, and it will be sad if only 1 stays tonight. Oh, I like the song. Alright, James. Oopsie. 'Cause human nature. You can do it that way. Hey, alright, go okay. Okay, I saw that. Okay. I watching you too, boo. That is in my nature. I like the spot. I tell you, okay, I see you, boo. I'm telling you, this is going to be fire. To the right. This is going to be fire. I don't know this one. Hey. You come with the movement. Man, you see that way? Movements. I know, right, Diddy? he had a little pep and I mean a little swing in the waist, you know what I mean? Because that was so cute.
I was at a concert.
Yes, it did. He's a great performer.
James, you're incredible, man. Thank you. I definitely think you're securing the bag. I'm a new alter ego. Yeah, another one. But I have this guy that I've been holding back, and I need you to help me with him. His name is Salsa Negro. And no matter what happens here tonight, I need you to give me some salsa classes, okay?
Aww.
You represented your people.
Yes, he did.
Fullest in a big way.
That's what I like most about it, cause you know he brought Cuba to the stage. You know they culture and they dance. So
Showed me a whole nother side of you. You have what it takes, bro. Thank you so much.
All right, audience, you've heard what the panel thinks. Now it is up to you. Who do you think deserves a seat on the floor? Please vote now.
okay, while they're voting, right? This is my thing. I like James' performance, but I feel like it could have been more. He could have done. You know what I mean?
James got it.
But who knows? He might still get to stay. He might not.
It's going to be James Graham
We'll find out in a minute.
or Dian Rene.
I really got to know James.
And the winner of this challenge is... Yes.
Yeah, thank you.
Nothing for real.
I know, right?
Where Howard go?
Quick bathroom break. I'm so scared. Oh my gosh.
Who won?
Say hi. I don't want to see this one.
James Graham, member of the floor. Or Dian Rene, our challenger.
I'm nervous. Whew.
And the winner of this challenge is... James Graham.
Oh my gosh. I feel like this could be James. My mom was like, James. Oh my god. Dian, I loved your performance. I know you might not see this, but I hope you do. I'll tweet you in a few minutes. Y'all should follow me on Twitter, by the way. I always tweet the members of the four, honestly. Like Quentin, oh my gosh. I tweet Quentin and he liked my tweet. Like, I love the four. Like, I love the four. Like, this is my show. Like, you know? But that's what I was saying. Dian, I really loved your performance. Like, you are great. And I love the way. So, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what was your favorite part of this video, or any other reactions you'd like to see me do, or any other videos you'd like to see me do. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Tell me if you like what you see, and if you do, punch that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.